How to teach your parrot how to speak. It's not that easy. You're going to have to repeat yourself over and over again. So you can teach him words, phrases, whistles, right? Whistles was the first thing he learned. And you can also get an app. I recommend an app. I found one for free called Voice Recorder on my phone. And for example, I'm teaching him how to say, "How was your day?" And it's just going to repeat and loop for hours and hours and hours because it's not convenient for you to sit there saying, "How was your day?" It could take weeks. It could take months. It could never happen. It's always on Merlin's terms. So he either picks it up or he doesn't. But it's a lot of hard work. So you can't just say, "Hey, tell him to say this." Well, we need time. So I hope that helped. Say bye. Of course not.
This is how I teach my parrots to talk. Where's Fishy? There he is! Early in the morning and right before bed, they pay really close attention. It's the best time to talk to them for a few minutes and say the same things every day until they get it. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! You see how they're listening intently? Where's Fishy? Am I interrupting something?
Excuse me.
What are you doing to her eye?
What are you doing to her?
Why are you licking her eyeball?
Okay, Apollo, what's this made of? Paper. No. One more try. What is this made of? Paper. No. Tori, what's this made of?
Paper.
No. One more try. What's this made of?
Metal.
That's right. It's made of metal. Good girl, Tori. Here's a pistachio. Good job. All right, Apollo, you want to try again? What is this made of? Apollo, what's this made of? You can do it. Come on, you can do it, Apollo. What's this made of?
Paper.
No. One more try. What is this made of?
Spell.
No. This is made of metal. Made of metal. Okay, Tori, what color is this?
Black.
Can you say it better?
Black.
That's right, color black. Good girl, Tori. Do you want this or snack?
Want the black?
You want the shoe?
Want the little shoe?
Apollo, what color? Come on, you can do it. What color is this?
Look.
No. Apollo, what color?
Apple.
No. All right, last try. What color?
Red.
No. All right, your turn.
Ready? Apollo, what's this?
Shrek.
No. What's this? What's this?
Shrek.
No. Dalton, what's this?
Black.
No. Say it better.
Block.
Good job. Here's a block. Good boy. Should probably get some snacks. All right, Apollo. What's this made of?
Shrek.
What's this made of?
Shrek.
No. One more try. What's this made of? Yes! Made of metal. Good job. You have any more snacks on you? Good job. Made of metal.
Earn a pistachio.
Yeah. Oh, you want to earn a pistachio?
Want earn a pistachio.
All right. What color?
Red.
No. What color?
Black.
Good job. Color black. Ooh. You can give yourself a pistachio.
We need to have these.
I know. Here. Good job, Dalton. You get a pistachio. Color black. This is color black. Uh-oh. Do you want to earn a pistachio? What color? What color? What color?
Red.
No, what color?
Red.
One more try. What color? What color?
Circle.
No. Okay. Dalton, what color?
Red.
No, what color?
Block.
Say better.
Black. Black.
Good. Color black. You only gave me one.
That was all